Welcome back. It's time for sports.
The local, regional, and international boxing fraternities are now mourning the passing of legendary Jamaican boxer and three-time weight division world champion Mike the Body Snatcher McCallum. According to reports, McCallum was on his way to the gym in Las Vegas, Nevada on Saturday when he fell ill and pulled off the road. He was later found unresponsive by the police. Sources close to the world-renowned pugilist confirmed that McCallum apparently died from a cardiac arrest. McCallum, who was 68 years old at the time of his passing, won his first world title in 1984, beating Irishman Sean Mannion to lift the WBA junior middleweight title, which he held for 4 years. McCallum, who is a 7-time RJR Gleaner National Sportsman of the Year, retired in 1997 with a ring record of 49 wins, 5 losses and a draw, with 36 knockouts. He was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in 2003. General Secretary of the Jamaica Boxing Association Leroy Brown reflected on McCallum's passing.
What makes it even more tragic for me is that we speak from time to time, and I called him last week a couple of times and didn't get him. So this hit even more for me. But what I can tell you about Mike McCallum, he is definitely the best boxer ever produced by Jamaica so far. He was our most outstanding amateur and also our most outstanding pro boxer. And, hands down, he's way above everybody in the boxing business. As a matter of fact, I remember he and Emilio from Sanchez were quarreling because Sanchez wanted to rest and he wanted to go to the gym. It was that type of boxer he was. He never flinched from hard work, and his results really showed it.
Up to the time of his death, McCallum was working as a boxing trainer in Las Vegas. Sports Minister Olivia Grange also expressed shock and sadness at his passing. Batsman Sherfin Rutherford has been added to the West Indies squad for the final game of the ODI series against England at the Oval on Tuesday. Rutherford arrived in London on Sunday following his stint in the IPL. He represented the Gujarat Titans. The West Indies currently trail the 3-match ODI series 2-0 against England after the hosts defeated the Caribbean men by 3 wickets in the second match on Sunday. Centre-back, the West Indies were dismissed for 308 in 47.4 overs. Their total was set up by Casey Carty's 103, his 4th ODI ton. Carty's knock included 13 fours. He was supported by half-centuries from Captain Sheikh Hope 78 and Jamaica's Brandon King 59. Rashid Adil took 4 for 63, while Shakib Mahmood had 3 for 37 for England. In their run chase, Joe Root led England's recovery from 93 for 4. Root combined with Hirebrook, who made 47 for a third wicket stand of 85 before the 143-run partnership with Will Jacks put England within touching distance of victory. Root ended on 166. Azari Joseph was the standout for the West Indies with the ball taking 4 for 31 in his 10 overs. The third and final ODI bowls off at 7 a.m. Jamaica time. And finally, Jamaica's Akira Nugent secured back-to-back Grand Slam Track League titles after winning the 100 meters in the women's short hurdles group on Sunday's second and final day of the competition at the Philadelphia leg of the series. Nugent sped to 11.11 seconds to win ahead of America's Signe McLaughlin-Nevroni 11.21. Fellow Jamaicans Danielle Williams 11.44 and Megan Tapper 11.52 ended 4th and 6th respectively. Nugent had won the short hurdles on Saturday's opening day in a 12.44. She had also taken the double at the previous leg of the series in Miami. Brian Level recorded the second fastest 100-meter time of his career, clocking 10.02 to finish second in the 100 meters behind America's Kenny Bednarek, who clocked 9.86 to win. Bednarek once again took the double after winning the 200 meters on Saturday. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.